Here I have Motorola Moto G42, and today I'm going to show you how to enable custom watermark in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then tap on the gear icon to access its settings, go to the photos, and then go to the watermark. So to use custom watermark or signature, you have to firstly enable device watermark, and here you can add your own custom text. So let's just enter something like that. And now let's take a photo just to see how it will look like. So as you can see here, I have my device watermark, and under it HardReset.Info. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.